Portable clothes dryers have become an essential household and travel companion for those who need quick, efficient, and space-saving laundry solutions. Whether you live in a small apartment, frequently travel, or need an alternative to a full-size dryer, these compact machines provide reliable performance while being gentle on clothes. Below are the top 5 best portable dryers that excel in efficiency, convenience, and advanced drying features. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best portable dryers that worth your money. This list was made based on quality research and customer reviews, and I'm going to break down each of them, including their features and benefits, so you can see which of them might be the best choice for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on great product recommendations. Check the link in the description for current prices, availability, and more details. At number 5, we have the Faux Hair Portable Clothes Dryer. The Faux Hair Portable Clothes Dryer offers a compact yet powerful drying solution, ideal for apartments, RVs, dorms, and travel. With its 600-watt drying power and 360-degree hot air circulation, it dries clothes efficiently in as little as 20 minutes, ensuring even moisture evaporation. It features 2 drying modes, a gentle care mode for delicate fabrics like silk and wool, and a quick drying mode for cotton and polyester. The built-in LED UV technology enhances cleanliness by refreshing clothes as if sun-dried, while its whisper-quiet operation and timer function of up to 8 hours make it user-friendly. Its lightweight and foldable design allows drying up to 9 garments at once, making it a time-saving and energy-efficient alternative to traditional dryers. Coming in at number 4 is Keyfont High-Speed Portable Clothes Dryer. The Keyfont High-Speed Portable Clothes Dryer is a versatile and travel-friendly option that doubles as both a hair and clothes dryer. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor and a specialized drying bag that traps hot air, it delivers rapid drying performance for light garments, underwear, or travel laundry. It offers 3 temperature modes: hot, warm, cool, and includes a timer for precise drying control. Its 90-degree rotating air outlet and included hooks make it easy to install in tight spaces, while its lightweight, compact design ensures it fits effortlessly into luggage. Perfect for those constantly on the move, this dryer combines convenience and functionality in one portable device. Number 3 is Roll-It Will's Portable Clothes Dryer. The Roll-It Will's Portable Clothes Dryer stands out for its foldable design and remote control operation, making it a user-friendly solution for small apartments, RVs, or travel. Despite its compact size, it features a spacious capacity drum, accommodating a significant amount of clothes while maintaining efficient drying performance. Constructed with durable plastic and metal alloy steel, it ensures longevity and reliability. The inclusion of LED UV technology promotes garment hygiene, giving clothes a fresh and clean feel. This dryer combines portability, ease of storage, and modern features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a balance between convenience and capacity. Number 2, Legisved Portable Clothes Dryer. The Legisved Portable Clothes Dryer is engineered with energy-efficient PTC heating and a smart chip for constant temperature control, ensuring quick and safe drying. It offers dual-mode drying, a gentle mode for delicate fabrics, and a quick-dry mode for everyday clothes like cotton and polyester. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it ideal for apartments, hotels, or RVs, while its timer, up to 8 hours, and remote control add convenience. This dryer also features a dual purification system combining heat and spectrum purification to enhance garment cleanliness. Safety is prioritized with an automatic shutoff mechanism that activates if the temperature exceeds safe levels. And finally, our number 1 pick is Mojoko Portable Clothes Dryer. The Mojoko Portable Clothes Dryer tops the list for its blend of fast-drying technology, energy efficiency, and premium build. With the ability to dry up to 9 garments in just 20 minutes using advanced heat and airflow technology, it is perfect for busy individuals or those with limited space. Its foldable, portable design makes it travel-friendly, while the built-in LED UV system ensures deep cleansing and freshness. Quiet operation, adjustable timer settings, and wrinkle-reducing heat provide a seamless drying experience. This dryer not only saves space, but also reduces energy costs, making it a smart alternative to traditional dryers for light laundry loads. Each of these portable dryers offers a unique combination of portability, efficiency, and fabric care, catering to various needs, whether for travel, small apartments, or quick laundry solutions. From the multifunctional Keyfont to the top-rated Mojoko, these dryers redefine the convenience of modern laundry by making drying faster, quieter, and more energy efficient. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments section which product you love the most, or if you've tried any of these already. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check out an updated price and availability for any brand you are interested in. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, as I always appreciate that. Have a great day and see you in my next video. Thank you.